Kung meron kang online store, if you're planning to build one or open one, this video is for you. One of the reasons why you should be careful in hiring someone to build your online store is because of copyright infringement. These days, marami ang nabubudol sa budget meal or murang fee sa pag-build ng online store, especially sa dropshipping or print on demand. Pag sinabi sa'yong, I will build your store for $100, run. Hindi ko nilalahat pero higher yung chance na kaya mura yung fee, it's because yung template na gagamitin sa store mo ay ginamit na sa maraming store. Kinaka-copy-paste na lang siya sa lahat ng nag-avail ng murang service na yan. Imagine if 20 kayo na nag-avail ng service na yan, 20 kayo na pare-pareho ang store. Walang effort, hindi tailored, hindi pinag-isipan, and yes, totoong nangyayari to. Masaklap pa dito, what if yung pictures na ginamit, yung descriptions, yung website copy ay legally owned by someone? Pwede mong harapin ang kaso na copyright infringement. Three things. Pwede kang i-message ng store owner to take down your store para hindi i-push yung kaso. Pwede naman nilang i-push yung case without you knowing beforehand. Pwede namang i-report kanila sa Shopify or di kaya dun sa host ng website, i-claim nila yung ownership, and then sila na mismo yung magte-take down ng store mo. Either way, masasayang ang oras at pera mo at nagka-problema ka pa. This is Desiree, your Shopify bestie. Like and follow for more.